So I came up with a recipe with butternut squash. It's a little healthier than your traditional like cheese packed snacks, even though this one still has a little bit of goat cheese. Still healthy, delicious. Let me show you how to make it. You're gonna start out with a nice butternut squash. With a sharp knife, you're gonna carefully trim the top and the bottom. Toss it to the side. Then you're gonna just half it, put a little bit of pressure into it. Lay them up like that, and then half them. Do the same thing to the other side. There we go. I'm gonna put these two pieces already on the side. Then you're just gonna scoop out the seeds. It already looks pretty, doesn't it? Set that off to the side. To this, simply gonna drizzle a little bit of olive oil. Set that off to the side. Salt, and a little pepper. So to this, you're gonna take another piece of aluminum foil, and you're gonna create a little aluminum envelope. Now why you're doing this is, you're gonna roast the butternut squash, but when you seal it off like this, you're also steaming the butternut squash, which means sometimes you'll bake it off and it'll get too dry. This will guarantee and just help you control how much it bakes and how much moisture stays within. We're gonna take it and put it in a hot oven until it's nice and tender. Seems like it's done, it smells ready. You just smell it, it makes the house smell delicious, which is also another great thing because your guests are coming over. All right, here we go. Now just make sure it's cooked fully. You see how soft it is and tender? This is great already. So I'm just gonna scoop this out. Right onto here, let's move that up. Easier if I do this. Scoop all that delicious flesh. All right. Put that off to the side. Let's puree, let's make a dip. Take a little bit of our goat cheese. You wanna save a little of the goat cheese just to top it at the end, make it nice and pretty. All right, let's put the lid on. It should be good. All right, set that off to the side. Take this off. So, a little bit of salt. A little pepper. That's it. Give it a good stir. Let's put it away. Here. Oh, doesn't that look awesome? Now let's decorate. Simple enough. That reserved goat cheese that you had from before. Just add a couple of little pieces right on top. Just like that. A couple of little toasted pepitas, just pumpkin seeds. All around. Then the final touch, just a drizzle of olive oil. Bring these rice crackers right over here. Delicious butternut squash dip. Enjoy.